Hi, kindergartners. There is only 3 days of school left. Oh my goodness. On our 3rd day, I have our balloon here. I'm getting ready to pop it, and there is going to be something fun for us to do on the inside. Are you ready? Plug your ears. It might be loud. I've got my pen here. Oh, that was loud. Okay. The piece of paper says that today we are going to make a paper airplane. Whoa! Have you ever made a paper airplane before? Whew, they're kind of fun to make. The one I'm going to make with you today is I'm going to use this yellow piece of paper. You can use a white piece of paper or purple or red or blue or whatever kind of paper you want. All you need is a piece of paper. The first job when you are making your paper airplane is to take your paper. You want it to be long like this, not like a hamburger, like a hot dog, long like a hot dog. And then you're going to fold it in half. When you fold it in half, you gotta be a little bit careful. You want to be sure that your ends don't look like this, that they're lined up so straight and perfect. So line them up straight, and then you want to push down the side to make this nice and neat crease, just like that. So you have this nice crease, and the crease, see, it's kind of like on the bottom, and the pieces of paper are on the top. Step number 2 is you're going to take one of these sides. You see how it folds open? And watch how I bend it. I'm going to bend it down so that it's straight right here. I want it to be nice and straight. So I folded it over, and I'm going to push it down to make another crease. So this is what it looks like. I got that on one side. Now I'm going to flip it over and do that on the other side. So I'm going to fold it down to where it meets this straight line. I'm going to take my fingers and pinch it all the way down. So now, this is what you have. If we remember, you folded your piece of paper, then you folded down both of those sides. Now, the next step is a little bit tricky, but if you watch close, you'll get it. What you're going to do is you're going to take this. Do you see how this is kind of like another point right here? You're going to take this point, and you're going to bend it down to make a straight line again. So just like you did with that first one. Here, let me fold it for you and then I'll show you. Okay, so it looks like this, and then I folded it down to make another straight line. And I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna do that on the other side too. Now, there are lots of different kinds of paper airplanes you can make out there. If you look up other videos, you can probably make some pretty fancy ones. But the one Mrs. Hamilton is showing you, it's just kind of an easy one. And so there we go, we have it. We are all done with our paper airplane. So let's talk one more time to make sure, in case you missed a step. What you did was, took your piece of paper, folded it in half. You took these 2 flaps, folded them down straight. And then you took this corner piece and you folded it flat along the bottom. Then you flipped it over. You took this corner piece and folded it flat along the bottom. And you have, hopefully, a super fast paper airplane.